In today's video, I'm going to teach you Replit Tutorial for Beginners 2025. How to use Replit AI for coding. We'll start by getting high-quality starter code, then move it into Replit, use Replit's AI to refine it, and finally publish your app so you can share a live URL. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. In the prompt box, type a clear instruction like, "Act as a senior front-end developer. Create a modern, high-conversion landing page using HTML and Tailwind CSS. The page should be for a insert business type, for example, an AI productivity tool." Be specific about the audience, the tone, and any sections you want, such as a hero, features, testimonials, and a call to action. The more context you give, the better the output. When Gemini returns the HTML and Tailwind setup, keep that code handy so you can use it in your project. Now head to replit.com. If you're new, create a free account so you can save and publish. Click Start to open the workspace and create a new project. Replit will load the editor and a preview pane. If you see an option or banner about Make, Test, Iterate, that's your Replit AI panel, perfect for quick improvements and debugging. Open the AI panel and use the chat input that says something like, "Type anything here," related to the code. Paste in your Gemini-generated code or describe what you want to build. You can ask Replit AI to add Tailwind via CDN, organize files, optimize sections for conversions, or tweak colors, spacing, and typography. Run the project to preview changes. If something doesn't look right, tell Replit AI exactly what to fix, then iterate. Short, precise instructions work best, and you can reference line numbers or section names to be extra clear. When your landing page looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish in the top right corner. If a confirmation or settings window appears, click Publish again to confirm. Give your project a clear name and description so people know what it does. Replit will build and deploy your app. This may take a moment the first time. When it's ready, you'll see a public URL. Click it to open your live site. Keep that link. You can share it or test it on different devices. If you're prompted to publish your app again in the deployment panel, go ahead and confirm so everything is live and up to date. That's it. You used Gemini to generate clean starter code, Replit AI to make